You know, the one thing I think that everybody does wrong when they watch the movie The Secret, or they read the success literature, or they study the law of attraction, is they forget to take action. They sit, they fantasize, they think all I have to do is visualize it, I affirm it, I script it, I sit in a chair and meditate over it, and it shows up. Sometimes it does happen that way. But Christy, I've written 80 books. I'm a musician. I have 15 albums out. I'm in 20 some movies besides The Secret. None of that happens by just sitting. You have to, at some point, get off the meditation cushion, turn the visualization manifestation board off, and actually take action. That's why this book is done. I wrote it. That's why your book is done. You were writing it. All of us have to, the word is co-create. We have to co-create our reality. The universe will do its part if we do our part. That's a big lesson.